Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative. Here we are in Dumbo, and in front of us we have the Genesis G70. This is the 2019 model. It's been a very long time before I've looked at a car at all. I haven't driven a car in about 3 years since I moved from DC to New York and have never really needed to. So I'm pretty sure that everyone here knows more about cars than I do. But this one definitely looks good, and this one is here for a press event, so a lot of people are going to have the chance to give this one a try in this beautiful area here where they shoot commercials and have a lot of fun. But yeah, this is a quick look at the 2019 Genesis